So Sell the Trend recently added a new feature where you can actually filter for products that are specifically available in the US for shipping. So if that's what you want to do with your dropshipping store, they have a powerful tool that you can use for that. So watch this video all the way to the end because the one of the guys at Sell the Trend is going to explain exactly how that works, and he's going to show you how to use it as well. I would recommend using the link in the description and starting a free trial so that you can follow along with the video.
Hey, this is Rush. Okay, so a lot of you have been asking about this feature to be added to our Nexus Explorer, and we just added it. So I wanted to do a really quick video just to kind of go through it really quickly. So the feature that I'm talking about is being able to filter all the Nexus products by those that have USA shipping options. So it's we've always had this feature in our AliExpress Explorer right here. But we never had it for our Nexus products, and we just added it. So you can quickly go to, let me just quickly show you how to do this. So this is the Nexus. You can see all the products here. So if you go to the filters right up here, and you click on ships from US, and you click on has US shipping, automatically here it'll filter all products that will have a USA shipping option. So if we take a look at this product right here, you can see it says ships from US. Let's look at another product here, ships from US. And not only can you see now in the Nexus products that have USA shipping, but as well as we've added the ability to filter by video available. So you can quickly as well check out products that have videos. So these products have video available. So you can see it right here. You can click on this button here and be able to check out the video and then download it as well. So those are two quick, I just wanted to kind of do a quick video, just kind of show you the ability to be able to filter all the Nexus products in all these different Nexus categories here by ones that have USA shipping.
So I hope that helped you out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Of course, you can try it out yourself by using the link in the description. It's completely free to try. Thank you for watching.